Natalie's new chapter. It is time to sign up for school. This year, Natalie is going to Brock University. She has never been to university before. She is a little bit scared. Natalie hopes she meets nice, new friends. She stood in line to get her picture taken. The picture was for her student ID card. This card was very important. She would use it to buy books, get books from the library, and even use the swimming pool. After signing up and paying, Natalie went to lunch with her mother. "Mom, I'm kind of scared," Natalie said. "I'm going to be the youngest one there. I don't know how to take notes. The teachers might be mean," Natalie continued. Her mom calmed her down. "Take one day at a time, Natalie," she said. "Worry only about today." "You're right, Mom. Thanks," Natalie said. On the first day of school, she was still very scared. She made sure she had all her books, pens, and pencils. She walked into the big building and looked for her classroom. She felt very small in the big university. Natalie got through her classes. She met a lot of new people, and they were all very nice. The day went by so fast. When Natalie got home, she was so excited. She told her mom that classes and the people were not scary at all. She knew she would have a good year.